Welcome to this video. Today we'll guide you through on how to bypass Steam region lock. So sometimes you may want to download games and they may not be available in your region. So that may be caused because of your own country's policies for those games. So today I'm going to show you how you can bypass that to download them. So the first thing you have to do is use a VPN. You can use Surfshark, Express, or NordVPN, whatever you want. I use Proton VPN. So open up your VPN and connect to the region you want to connect to. For me, it's Netherlands. So once it's connected, the next thing we have to do is open up Steam. Once Steam is opened up, go to the top left corner and click on the Steam icon. You'll see a list of options, so select Settings. Once on the settings window, on the left side, you'll see an option that says Downloads. Click on Downloads. And then on the download region, you'll select the same region as your VPN. So for me, it's in Netherlands. So I will pick Netherlands. So when you change your region, Steam requires to be restarted. So click on Restart Now. And here we are. Once it is restarted, all games are available for the region you just selected. So this is how you bypass Steam region lock. If this was helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving us a like. It really helps us out. See you next time.